Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute recent teammates on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here click to the first button, the settings. Here you can find the social settings icon under the haptic feedback. Click that, and here you can find the second section, the mute recent teammates. You can mute for 60 minutes, 24 hours or 30 days. Select an option, and if you finish, click to the confirm button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.